Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd, where creativity meets professionalism. Are you looking for an eye-catchy, high-quality design that make your brand stand out? Whether it's a business card, logo, social media post, or any custom design, we bring your vision to life fast and flawlessly. In today's video, I'll show you how to design a stunning business card that leaves a lasting impression. If you need a custom design tailored to your brand, feel free to reach out. Let's create something special together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative design and connect us for custom design solution. After create a page for a business card, go to the element and search for a shape. Let's take this triangle shape and make it a 90-degree and adjust it on the left corner like this. Now go to the element and search for a frame. Let's take this rectangle and adjust it all over the picture and make it behind the shape. Then go to the element and search for pictures for the frame. Then copy this shape and adjust it on the bottom side of the page and make it behind the first shape. Change the color in black and again copy the shape and adjust it on the right corner like this. Change the color in this gradient for now. Change the gradient shade colors. Make it behind the black shape. Change the gradient style. Press Alt and copy the shape and adjust it over it and change the gradient shade so that it look like a triangle shape's gradient texture. Then go to the edit and change the color, give it a black and white effect. Change the picture. Keep this picture. Now paste the first shape and change the behind shape color in gradient in black and white. Adjust the first shape. Again take the similar picture and paste it on the back page of the business card. Also make it a black and white like the previous one. From the edit panel, give it the effects. Now take the similar triangle shape and adjust it on the half page. Give it a white color and again copy the shape and adjust it on the left side like this. Make the shape behind the white shape. Copy the shape and take a triangle shape. Take a text box, type the name. Take another text box, type the designation. From the element, take a line and keep the line weight in 1. Go to the element, search for a phone shape, take this phone icon and change the color. Again search a email icon. And a wave icon. Adjust the email icon, wave icon and the phone icon. Make all the icon in center alignment. Now take a text box and type the phone number. Also take a text box and type the email number. Now go to the element and search for a logo. Let's take this logo and change the color according the content, yellow and orange, and take a text box, type the company name triangle. Change the font. Copy the logo and change the color. And place it on the back page on the left corner. Take a line and adjust it on the first page over the shape. Make it a design like this. Copy the line and adjust it over the black shape. Place it on the back page. It's almost done. So here it is, a business card for a real estate company. If you need this kind of design or any other custom design you have, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.